Introduction to SEO. Search engine optimization, SEO, is the process of optimizing a website to rank higher in organic search results on search engines like Google. It is a crucial aspect of marketing, and a successful SEO strategy can put a company's website at the top of the list on a Google search page. Increasing the likelihood that people will visit the site. SEO is a fast-paced and dynamic field that is constantly evolving, and it can be complex and frustrating, especially if relying on outdated tactics that no longer work. However, even a small amount of SEO knowledge can make a big difference, and free SEO education is widely available on the web. Here are some key points to keep in mind when learning about SEO. Foundational elements. While search engines and technology are always evolving, there are some underlying foundational elements that have remained unchanged from the earliest days of SEO. Algorithm updates. Search engines are always updating their algorithms to provide quality search results to their users. And artificial intelligence is constantly improving algorithms to ensure better user experiences. Eventual goals. The eventual goal of SEO is to increase the quantity and quality of traffic to a website through organic search engine results. Keyword research. Understanding what keywords to rank for is an essential part of creating an effective SEO strategy. Content optimization. Optimizing website content, including titles, meta descriptions, and headers, can help improve search engine rankings. Link building. Building high-quality backlinks to a website from other reputable sites can also improve search engine rankings. Overall, SEO is a complex and ever-changing field, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it is possible to improve a website's search engine rankings and increase traffic. Are you struggling to attract customers and increase your sales online? Introducing our web development and SEO services, designed to skyrocket your visibility and drive more traffic to your website. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business. Our expert team of web developers and SEO specialists will work tirelessly to optimize your website, ensuring that it ranks higher in search engine results. With our cutting-edge strategies, we'll help you attract the right audience and turn them into loyal customers. Imagine the impact of having your website appear on the first page of Google search results. With increased visibility, you'll gain credibility and trust from potential customers, leading to higher conversion rates. Our tailored approach to web development ensures that your site not only looks aesthetically pleasing but also engages visitors, and encourages them to take action. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business exponentially. Take advantage of our web development and SEO services today and increase your sales and profits like never before. Contact us now for a free consultation with our experts who will create a customized plan just for you.